This is more than just a ceramic water filter. It represents a transformation across Cambodia. In the early 2000s, clean water was still a dream for many Cambodian families. Waterborne diseases silently claimed up to 10,000 children's lives annually. This crisis wasn't just a health threat, it was a daily, crushing burden. Women and girls spent countless hours collecting firewood and boiling water every day, exposing themselves to harmful smoke and the increased risk of robbery and violence in isolated areas. Within this challenge, a spark of innovation began. What if clean water could be a sustainable, accessible right for every single home in every rural village? This is the story of that transformation, the spark of innovation that became a symbol of hope, the Tunsai filter, the social enterprise built to carry that dream forward.
IDE encountered the ideas of ceramic water filter as a simple and affordable solution. We received grant support from a few big NGO back then, and then IDE decided to start it as a grant project, bringing this water filter to a few thousand selected households. We test whether our customer really get accustomed to these simple solutions.
From those early prototypes, filters were rigorously tested in certified laboratories to meet international safety standards and guidelines for drinking water quality by the World Health Organization. By 2004, the Tunsai, meaning rabbit in Khmer, a symbol of clever problem solving, came to life. It embodies Khmer craftsmanship, beautiful enough to display and powerful enough to save lives. Each filter holds up to 10 liters of water and uses proven technology. Clay blocks bacteria, carbon removes chemicals and odors, and silver nitrate kills harmful microbes, turning any type of water, whether from river, well, or rainwater, into safe, clean drinking water. The project wrapped up with 2,000 households gaining access to clean water. But that was just the beginning. The strong demand from the rural communities revealed a potential to scale clean water access beyond donor support. That insight sparked a transformation from a project to a sustainable business model. In 2010, Hydrologic Social Enterprise was born, carrying the same mission.
As a social enterprise, every dollar we make will be reinjected into our business so that we can bring more or better innovations on our water filter, but still make sure that we maintain our affordability so that every household of Cambodia can afford to have one at their home.
With innovation and persistence, Hydrologic Social Enterprise became profitable in 2012 and has remained self-sustaining ever since. For over 15 years, Hydrologic Social Enterprise has prioritized quality of product and well-being of their staff. Water samples from Tunsai filters are regularly tested at a trusted laboratory, and operations undergo annual independent audits by the gold standard certifying body.
For example, we have invested heavily on switching from wood cans to gas can, which allow us to guarantee our best quality, reduce the defective clay pots from 15 to only 2%. At the same time, we also invested in a few other important machinery, the clay grinding and also the rice grinding, contributing to better safety for our staff at the factory and also their health.
ការពីរោងចក្រយើងបើកដំបូងការយើងប្រើម៉ាស៊ីនតូចហ្នឹងគឺវាហុយខ្លាំងបងហើយបងក្រុមការងារហ្នឹងគឺគាត់ត្រូវការពាក់ម៉ាស់ហើយនឹងវ៉ែនតារហូតហើយបើពួកខ្ញុំអ្នកស្មូនផើងនោះក៏ហុយដល់ពួកខ្ញុំដែរបងឥឡូវមានម៉ាស៊ីនធំនេះហើយនឹងរនាំងការពារនេះធ្វើឲ្យក្រុមការងារយើងធ្វើការស្រួលជាងមុនហើយខាងខ្ញុំខាងស្មូននោះក៏ធ្វើការស្រួលជាងមុនដែរចំនួនបានច្រើនហើយអត់ទៅប៉ះពាល់ដល់សុខភាពទៀត កាលហ្នឹងកូនខ្ញុំនៅទូចដែរខ្ញុំគិតទៅថាទឹកអត់មានសុវត្ថិភាពទេទឹកអស់អញ្ចឹងកូនខ្ញុំវាអាសារួអញ្ចឹងកាលតែខ្ញុំប្រើទៅស្រួលអត់សូវមានជំងឺរាគរូសអីរាតត្បាតដូចកូនគេអត់ទេអត់ចាំបាច់ទៅពិបាកដាំទឹកដាំអីពិបាកខ្ញុំរកអស់រកអីព្រោះសម័យនេះមានតែស្រួលអីទៅរកអស់ក៏ពិបាកអីក៏ពិបាក
For over 2 decades, over 2 million Cambodians have seen the difference. Time once spent boiling water is now time for family, work, and education. Health has improved and deforestation has decreased. Beyond human health, hydrologic social enterprise has contributed to the reduction of carbon emissions, created rural jobs, and strengthened local economies. This impact was made possible through the dedication of our sales team, who generate demand and encourage behavior change in households, together with the trust and support of our public, development, and private partners who share the same mission.